What is up, people of YouTube? It is Daysha and welcome back to my channel. So sorry, that's my little plant, but as you can tell, I'm in my backyard for once. So today I am filming a bleaching DIY TikTok thing. I don't know, I've seen them on TikTok and stuff, but basically I'm gonna be bleaching my sweatshirt and some random shirt that I found, and my sister's also doing it, so I might as well show what her after clips look like. So hopefully this actually comes out kind of cute. If you want to see this, then keep watching to see how this turns out. Okay guys, so my sister got this light pink sweatshirt. It's really pretty. She also got this black one, and then there's our bottle of bleach. We have a whole bunch of plastic bags, a whole bunch of rubber bands. This is my this does not look like Cosmo and Wanda colors. I did not do that on purpose, but it's a look. Tape, like I said, rubber bands and bonsai plant, and then more bleach. So we'll see how this goes. I forgot, first thing that we're gonna do is wet these sweatshirts, because I don't think you're supposed to do it when it's completely dry. Also, these are half cotton and half polyester, and that's what the shirt I did yesterday or a couple days ago was. So make sure it's I think it has to be more cotton than polyester, or at least 50%. So that's what these are, and we got these off of Hanes, so I'll be linking those down below if you want to buy these. Okay guys, so we wet it, so I'm gonna put some rubber bands on it.
Oh, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
Ta-da!
I just want to make sure every crevice gets some bleach.
Some bleach.
Because I've seen people do it and it'll be like a whole spot.
I know. That's why I sprayed so much last time. Yeah, plus it wasn't, nothing was happening. I was getting kind of mad. Okay guys, I'm going to start with the bleach. I forgot to turn the nozzle. I'm kind of nervous because I really like the sweatshirt. I hope that it comes out okay. So here we go. Oh my gosh. It's hard because it's wet, so it's hard to tell which is bleach and which is water.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but
It's still black. Yeah, I wouldn't do this indoors.
I'm dying. I don't see how people do this in their house. Changing colors.
Well, it's black, so this one's probably going to be red.
I don't know. I can't tell.
away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me?
Guys, it's been a couple minutes, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but she's the color's kind of changing right there, but when I did it the other day, it was dramatically changing, so I feel I need to spray more. So we're gonna spray some more on it, because I feel this just I didn't do enough. Guys, look at what my sister's looks like. It literally turned brown. How do you like it?
It kind of looks like a crusty old man shirt.
And low key. I'm curious to see what it looks like out. It completely turned brown. I don't want to rule this as a fail or anything, but I sprayed it yet again and nothing. So I'm gonna let it sit. Okay guys, I'm about to do the green hoodie, so I'm just gonna wet it first and then rubber band it.
I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when this day. How come the sky?
Unraveling hers because she got impatient. I don't think it did anything. I think the color was like a little too bright, and I'm just like waiting for this one. I don't really know what's going on with this, but yeah. If it came out like white, it would have been cute.
Yeah, that's what
I kind of see.
Oh, I see white.
Wait. It's like I can't. It's the light that like. I kind of see it, guys, but like it turned. It's like white. It's like really dark. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna take this one out of the rubber bands because like I'm kind of tired of waiting at this point. So this is what the green one looks like. I love it. Like this is the back, and then the hood action, and then the pocket looks so good. Okay, guys, so I'm going to rinse these out in my sink and then put this in they're in a bag right now. But I'm gonna rinse them out and then wash them to get the bleach smell out. So yeah, lighting. But there's the green and there's the pink one. I'm about to like throw them in the wash real quick. It's so heavy wet. It's so heavy. There's the pink one. Here. Really, just because like. Okay.
Cause feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you?
Okay, guys, thank you for watching so much. I'm glad that this actually turned out like kind of cute. I don't know, let me know which piece that is y'all's favorite. I'm not sure which one's my favorite. I think I like them all, but I'm super glad that this worked out. And if you want to see, maybe I might take pictures in them, so you should follow my Instagram just in case I do post a picture. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye, guys.